impetuous anthem.
Every device you see, from phone to PC, has a secret code, the Mac ID. MAC, address on the line, unique to the device, one of a kind. No two the same, it's the digital tag. Hackers read this when they sniff the bag. It's 12 hex digits, letters and numbers, like a license plate when the network slumbers. Burned in the card, can't go away, but spoof it right, and you can play. Wi-Fi hacks start with this key, changing your Mac for anonymity. ARP spoof tricks, man in the middle. If they'll Mac knowledge, you can't solve the riddle. Think of Mac like a shirt with a name. It tells the world, hey, I'm in the game. Every device wears its ID proud. Hackers spot it fast in the traffic crowd. MAC, address on the line, unique to the device, one of a kind. No two the same, it's the digital tag. Hackers read this when they sniff the bag. From routers to phones, the address won't hide. Learn the Mac layer, power on your side. NepHack teaches, raising the flame. With Mac knowledge, you rule the game.